Hello everyone, whether you're in Nigeria or in the diaspora, anywhere you're watching me from, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluwaseun Elijah Victor from Update Homes and Properties. Be it you are a first-time investor or you've been investing in Nigeria real estate, there are some certain times or certain peak period you need to take advantage of key into real estate. Yes, as I was saying earlier, the best time to key into real estate, and I, Oluwaseun Victor, has divided them into three parts. Number one is when the land is selling on promo. Number two is when it's a newly launched property. And number three is when it has a good title document. Yes. So now when you see land selling on promo, then you know it's currently selling below the market value. That is the best time to key into a property here in Lagos, Nigeria. Number two is when you see a newly launched property. You should also know that a property that is newly launched will be selling on promo or also selling below the market value. That right then is the best time to key into real estate. And that is why you see when you see a land selling on promo, you see a land that is newly launched, an house that is newly launched, probably an off-plan property or anything. That is the best time people buy property because they are going to see massive return on investment. You know what? For more information on how to invest in real estate and earn massively in the real estate industry, click on the subscribe button on this channel for more.